Hello everyone, so we're in beautiful West Hollywood. It's early in the morning.
Hi guys, my name is Alena Savostikova. I am from Russia, but I've been in the United States for quite a while, for, oh my gosh, I think 13 years? Time flies.
For some reason I hear like a New York accent almost. That's what I'm
I've been all over London, Japan, China, Korea, Florida. So when you move around, you kind of adopt this neutral accent. People that I date, they rub off on me too. At some point I had like a little bit of a British accent, I'm sure. And people are like, where are you from?
51 degrees, I think. It's pretty...
Honestly, this is unusual for Los Angeles.
This is an LA snowstorm, yes.
This is an LA snowstorm. I feel so bad for my friends back in Russia, especially when there's those
You must be roasting.
I started as a baby. My mom, she signed me up for these little photo shoots and commercials, so I've been doing it my whole life.
Wow. As an actress, she's in super high demand.
Oh, thank you, yeah.
It's like we're gonna rush through this and then you're rushing out to, where was it? Florida?
I have a casting after this, and then I had a shoot, and then I'm going to the airport to fly to Miami.
So we're lucky to have her right now. So we're just gonna make the best of it. We're about ready to shoot. You ready to go?
I'm ready to go, let's do it.
Let's do it. Hold, just going to move it up a little bit. Going to move it up a little bit. Great. Nice. Couple more. I'm going to reset. And we're good. Take 3. Okay, that should be enough. All right. When you're ready, just go a little bit this way. Good. All right. I like the way that when you kind of like you turn around a little bit and you kind of flared out your jacket a little bit. Nice. I like that chin up look. You can give me that a little bit. Great. Give me a little bit of side profile. Let's see how that looks. Great. And then back at me. Nice. Eyes away from me. Great.
Careful behind you.
Nice save, thank you. Eyes off of me. Great. Give me that turn around again, please. Awesome. All right, you can come closer to the camera a little bit. Take 4. Wow, this light works really well on you.
Hey, it's amazing the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist. But you have got me on your hit list, and you're conspiring. Girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience, because now I'm unresponsive. Through my chest as you watch me bleed. Every kick, drum, hit is a symphony. Every brush of your curves is the air I breathe. You speak, I am listening. Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening. Slow-mo, pull me into the light, the light. There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving into the fright, the fright.
That was great at this angle. Hold. And just your eyes.
One heart to survive when one just breaks.
Waiting for background.
While one just takes and takes. One choice for the good.
You can start bringing some small smiles into it.
One worth dying for if you saw her shake. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are glistening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. That's my bad fire. Run through the fire. Out the wire. How it's everything I own. Sell my soul to take you home. Run through the fire, out off the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home.
You know how my camera autofocuses? I noticed that it always picks your face over mine when you're in the moment. Like, what are you thinking of anything? And it's like, how do you hit those poses? What are you doing?
Depends what you're shooting. You know, for a catalog, you have to always worry about the clothes to make sure you're not covering it. You don't want to do any poses like, you know, jewelry. You really want to show off the jewelry. Like, you want to have your hair behind your vibe is, you know, what. You know, today we're kind of shooting everything, so I want to give you a range.
Nice.
So I want to make sure, like, you know, I hit some
range.
smiles, you know, and you guys have to be aware if you're shooting full body. If you're shooting full body, you can move your legs a little bit, you know, you can tip your toes, you can jump, you can hop. If it's upper body, like, you don't really want to do any crazy poses because you're getting cropped in. And then you got to make sure your face is relaxed, because sometimes, like, you know, when you're so focused, you go like, yeah, you make funny face expressions. Even when you're smiling, it's like a soft smile, or yeah, so that's what you're thinking about.
Let's have one walking away and over the shoulder. Oh, that was great. Let's try that again. Nice. I like when you reached out for that tree. Let's see if what we can play with. Try that again. A couple more. Nice. You know what you're gonna see? Like half the shots are coming, not half, but like a lot of shots are coming out of focus because they're like, no, really, it's the camera is not catching up. And that's why I was telling her to slow down, because like, at least on the technical side, I need to push that a little bit more and just be like, slow down! No, you gotta take charge.
I am a boss lady, so for me it's like really hard to like, sometimes I forget that I'm a model here and the photographer's in charge.
Oh,
I need to remind myself to like just like be like, okay, this is not my show.
You know who I am? Do I know you?
Do you know what? Sometimes like if I'm shooting catalog ecom, my mind is like completely out. Like, you know, because you're shooting like 8 hours of like 400 outfits. So yeah, I'm not thinking about anything. And so yeah.
Wait, acting or modeling, which one's harder?
You know, acting has a lot of more preparation because you need to come so prepared. You need to do your homework. You need to really like be in the moment. You have to be in the right mindset. You really gotta like be on top of your game. With modeling, a lot of times you show up like, all you have to do is wake up and shower in the morning and have clean hair, and then it's long hours. It's still like, you know, it's very demanding, but there's a lot less preparation on your part as a artist.
Hearing from a professional. Just the eyes peeking at me. Love it. I really like and it's sort of on the lip, just a little bit lower. Just the eyes at me. Good. Got it. It's going to have you into that corner of it. Alright, so we just finished the shoot?
We just finished our shoot and it was amazing. I think we got some really great photos and I'm so happy about it.
I feel like it's one of those automatic things where it's sort of like just point the camera over there and it's like, no, that's one of the biggest things I noticed is that like I told her that like she picks a spot and just does her thing, and most of the time I gotta think for a second. I was like, how can I change this?
I'm just trying to steal his job. That's what this is really all about. I'm like,
well, she's a director. She's a boss lady director, right?
I'm just like, get him out of the way. Let me handle it.
Multi-talented, very capable, very professional, so fast. I can't keep up. It was like mind-blowing. This is why I'm so happy and lucky that I live in LA, because it's just all like, yeah, I need a model. It was like, dang, that was more than I was asking.
Much. You're the sweetest. I really enjoyed shooting with you.
No, it was really great shooting with you.
I can't wait to see this come out, and I hope you guys like it.
It's gonna be great. All right, I will put your Instagram and all their other contact information down below, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.
Bye.